Okay, so let's start with today's webinar. As I told you, the webinar is about configure your website before you go live in the market. Okay, so we have designed this webinar with few different steps, and we will go with all the steps one by one, and I will explain you all the steps technically so you can understand and you can perform the same steps in your website to go ahead and configure your website accordingly, right? So step one, and step one is about how you can manage admin user, its permission and roles, right? So when we provide you the admin panel details, there will be only one details, but it's not like that. You have to manage the admin panel with only one user. You can create multiple users, even you can create multiple roles based on the work you have for the admin users. Let's see how you can do it. So all users, and the second one is user roles. Okay, now I'm in the dashboard, or I can say the admin panel of my website. So when we are here in the admin panel of our website, the first thing, the main admin user, you can see here, admin, and then you can see account setting. So when you click on account setting, you can change the username. Generally it will be admin, but you can add like uh, demo. This is only example, demo admin. So it is a strong username. You can add the first name and last name. After that, you can change the email address. This is the important thing, to reset the password. So add the proper email address. You can change the password here. If you want to change the language of your admin panel, then you can do it. As of now, there is only English language in our website, so we can see only English. And your password means the current password you have to add here. So from here you can change the main admin details. Going further, in system you can see all users. So what is the use of these users? Suppose I want to add a new user. So I will add username. I will add user first name, last name. I will use add email address. I will add password. Please make sure you will add the strong password, right? It should be active. Now this is important, user role. So you can see different user roles here, from where you can add another role. System user roles. So when you will see user roles, click on add new role from here. Role name, suppose sales admin. Password, so current password I will add, and click on roles resources. So you can see all the modules, all modules which are available here, like from web to print, network, catalog, all the modules. So suppose you want to give access for only sales module, so you have added this sales module. This user will not be able to access the catalog panel, right? So I have added sales admin as a user. Now I'm clicking on save role. Now when I'm here, let me refresh the page. User role, and you can see sales admin. So if I will click this role, and if I will create the user, Okay, and if I click on sales admin, this user, when this user logged in, it will have the access of only sales panel, no any other option. Understand? So this is the important. Same way you can create another user for the catalog panel. Same way you can add another user for the web to print panel, which user can create only templates and fonts and so on. So this is how you can manage the admin users and its role before you go live in the market. Step 2, most important nowadays. Whenever you want to manage your website and you want to make your website secure from the spam and junk, you have to enable the CAPTCHA, and it is for the customers and it is for the admin also, right? Let's see how you can do it. Go for stores, configuration. Okay, in stores configuration, here in sales, you can find, sorry, 1 minute. In customers, you can find customers. Under customer, you can find CAPTCHA here. Now, what to do? First of all, CAPTCHA yes or no. Then CAPTCHA font. For which forms? Create user form, login, forget password, contact us, change password, send email to form, send wishlist form. You can enable CAPTCHA as per your requirement. Now displaying mode, after number of attempts to login or always. If you have selected always, then the CAPTCHA form will be always available. If you selected after number of failed attempts to login and you have added 3 here, then after 3 failed attempts, the CAPTCHA will be available there. Okay, so you can select always also. Then number of symbols, you can select 3 to 4, or you can make it strong upwards 4 to 5 and so on. Now the symbols used in CAPTCHA, the ABCD means the capital letters and the small letters and the numbers. You can add another also, you can see here. And if you will select case sensitive yes, then customer have to add the accurate CAPTCHA. If you have selected case sensitive no, then customer can add small letter instead of capital letter, or customer can add capital letter instead of the small letter. So it's about how you can manage the CAPTCHA. It is most important for your website to make it secure from the spam and junk emails. Going further, the next step is admin CAPTCHA, advanced admin. I'm telling you again, I'm in the stores. Then configuration, and under configuration, we were there in customers. Now I'm here in admin. In admin, here is the options of CAPTCHA. Okay, so under CAPTCHA, you can see here the CAPTCHA should be enabled. Then font of CAPTCHA. Okay, font of CAPTCHA. Then which form? It can be CAPTCHA. Then which form? It can be admin login or admin forgot password. Okay, then displaying mode, again same. It can be number of attempts to login or it can be always. Going further, number of unsuccessful attempts, then number of symbols used in CAPTCHA and case sensitive. Understand? So this is how you can manage the CAPTCHA for your front-end website and for your admin login screen. I hope you are clear that how you can manage the CAPTCHA. Okay, going further, the second step, sorry, the step 3, but again important, is quick guide on your SEO for your store. Okay, so going further, that quick guide on your SEO, most important step, because when you want to go live in the market, you have to take care of SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. Okay, manage meta informations for categories. Step 1, catalog categories. Okay, so let me quit the Skyping so it cannot disturb us in between. Okay, let me go for any one category. So I'm in one category now. Under SEO, here we have to add the proper meta title, meta keywords, and meta description. Right? Same way. Second step, that catalog and products. Okay. Now I'm in the products. Under products, let's edit any one product. Under this product, search engine optimization, and you can see meta title, meta keywords, and meta description here. Right? Same way, third option is CMS pages, content and pages. Suppose let's take the example of the home page of our website. Okay, so let's go for the home page of our website. This is the home page. I clicked on select and edit. So when I click on edit, you can see search engine optimization. Same way here I have to add the meta title, meta keywords and description. If you have question that what to add in meta title, keywords and description, so let me just give you the example. Suppose banner printing store in USA. This can be your meta title. This is example. Now this can be your keywords. Right? And so on. All the keywords you have to add with the comma. And description, so means the description of your store, as we are in the CMS page currently. Going further, you have to add the link. Yes, most important, stores configuration, sales, click on Google API, and you can see Google Analytics. When I click on yes, you have to add your Google Analytics account number here, and you are good to go. Your website will be linked with your Google Analytics account. Same way, you can add the Google AdWords account here. Click on it, click on yes, and you can add the conversion ID here. So this is the again more important step, that you can link your website with the Google Analytics directly from here. Then generate the sitemap. Okay, marketing sitemap. You can add the sitemap here. Click on add sitemap from here. Add the sitemap name. It can be sitemap.xml. Path. So if you want to add it in on the root of your website, the main folder of your website, that you have to add only path. If you have multiple website or multiple language in your website, then you can select the specific store, click on save and generate. Okay, this is already generated sitemap, so let's see what it gives us. Okay, already generated. Now let's see what will be there inside. Sitemap means the path of all your pages. All your pages. It can be products, it can be category, it can be CMS page, and so on. This sitemap link you have to add in the robots file of your website, so Google can crawl it, right? So this is how you can manage the sitemap and robots file. Going further, alter text. Yes, again most important. Suppose you are uploading the logo. I'm taking one example of logo. You can take any one example. Suppose I am uploading the logo of our website. So when we are uploading the logo, or when we are uploading any image anywhere on the website, it can be product image, it can be banners, it can be logo, or anyone. Okay, so whenever you are uploading it, one minute, it's loading. Okay, now suppose I'm here in header and I'm uploading the logo. So whenever I'm uploading the logo, you can see the logo image alter tag, and Google will not identify your image. Google will identify the alter tag of your image. It can be for any word. Suppose transactional image logo. Same way you can see here. Suppose you will go for the catalog and the products. Same way you will find the alter tag there for the product image you will upload. So please take care. will add proper alt tags for each and every images you are uploading on the website, because it will be important for you and it will help you for the SEO of your website. One minute only. It's taking some time to load. Okay, suppose let's edit this product. I'm sorry for that, it's taking more time in loading. Okay, now I'm here in the image. So suppose I'm uploading any one image, and you can find the alter text here. So when Google will crawl this image, it will find the alter text from here, and the same alter text will help you for the SEO of your website. Going further is manage search engine robots. So as I told you, you have to upload the robots.txt file on your server root. If you do not want to upload it on server root, there is one other option to upload it from the content configuration, and here is the option is search engine robots. So you can add the robots.txt file, or you can add the instruction of your robots.txt file directly here. Okay, going further, that manage URL rewrite and search terms. Again, two more important options, that whatever the URL you have, right? Suppose this URL, I'm here, I'm on the page of business card. So if this URL is not proper and you want to manage the rewrite, you can go here and you can see all the URL. You click on edit from here. Here you have to add the different URL, and whenever customer will load or customer will click on this URL, it will be redirected automatically, okay, permanently on the new URL you will add. You can do it for the new URL also. Let me show you. If any bad URL you have, if any URL which is not exist on your website, you can use this one. Okay, requested path means the path you want to redirect. Path you want to manage. Target means where you want to redirect, and you can select permanent redirection, or you can see the temporary redirection. Okay, and click on description means whatever the descriptions you want to add it, and click on save button to save. You can do it for the categories, you can do it for the products, you can do it for the CMS pages, or you can use the custom options to use it. Okay, so this is how you can manage the redirect. And the last is search terms. Search terms is again important. Let me explain you what it is. Whenever customers your website, and whatever customer is adding here, suppose I am adding banner to search something. This is called search terms, and this all search terms which have been used by customer. Look at this. Okay, so these all these search terms you can see here again. Search terms. So the junk search terms like this one, okay, like this one you can remove, and you can keep this kind of good search terms. Okay, and when customer click on this search term, all the related products, okay, will be available here. So this is called search terms. So whatever the search terms are junk or not proper for the website, you can remove it from here. So it is called search terms. Going further, this was the step about how you can means the quick guide on your SEO, on the SEO for your website. This is the most important before you go live in the market. Then leverage blog and newsletter features to connect with your clients, right? This is again important for any festival offer. Whenever you have something new on your website, you can prepare a blog and share it with your clients, or you can prepare a newsletter for the promotions of your website, right? So how you can do it? First, let's go for the blog. So if you are on the website, you can see the blog here. Customer can click on read more. And the blog is available here. Customer can add the comments here. Now, content, blog post. You can see all the text blog here. Post here. Post title. Okay. Suppose okay, you can select the categories. As of now, there are only 2 categories. You can add the new category here from here also, right? And whatever the content you want to add, including image and everything, you can do it. You can, if you want to upload the images, you can click on insert image from here, or you can use the paragraph and the editor and everything from here. Okay, and add your blog content. Okay, then short content for the main page. This is the bigger content, and we go for the blog, right? Here is the short. So you can add the short content here, same editor description. Then additional option, if you want to add any published date, who is the author, image means featured image, right? Let's see if there is any blog with the image option also. Now, if to upload the image, you can upload the image. You can see add the author. Then you can add more tags, right? It is again helpful for SEO. SEO means the add meta title, keywords and description, which we have already discussed before. If you have multiple websites and for which website you are releasing the post, then when we open any blog, you can see, right, the category is recent post and everything. So you can add the related post and recent related products also, right? And click on save blog to save it from the here. And this blog you can share again on your social media pages, right, with adding the links, and your customer can easily redirect on your website with the blog you have added. Another option is newsletter. So to promoting the website, customers are using MailChimp. There are another options like YMLP and lot many email campaigns are available. But our standard solution do provide the newsletter option also. You can add all your customers as a subscriber. Let me show you how. Suppose there are 41 customers. Select all and you subscribe to newsletter. So when you will click on subscribe to newsletter, right, in the marketing option, when you will go for the newsletter subscriber, you will find them. Now newsletter template. So whatever content you want to prepare for the newsletter template, let's edit this template, or you can add a new newsletter template from here. Okay, so let's open this. You can see the template name, template subject, right? This is again important. Based on the template subject you will keep, your customer will open the email. Sender name, sender email address, then you will add the content here. Okay, this is the content of the emailer. Okay, and click on save template to save it. When you will save it, then you will select view newsletter. Here select the date, on which date you want to send newsletter. Suppose on 38th, right, December. For which website? Let's select main website, okay, or English website from here. Going further, subject of your newsletter is already available there. Sender name, sender email address, and your newsletter. Click on save newsletter and your queue is ready. It will be automatically sent to your subscriber. Okay, it will be automatically sent to all your subscriber on 38th December. As of now, it said not sent. If you want to preview the newsletter, you can do it from here. Okay. Newsletter queue. And you can see the queue which we have already added, right? So this is again important feature, that how you can manage your newsletters. Newsletter subscriber we have already seen. You can add this newsletter subscriber from your customers, or whatever the newsletter subscriber you will get it from the subscribe option from here, right? So how this is how you can manage, or I can say the leverage blog feature and the newsletter feature to promote your website to your customers. Going further, this is bit important again. Whenever you make any changes on your website, suppose you add few products or you edit few products, you edit some CMS pages or anything, sometimes you will find that the changes you have did will not affect on the front end website. Reason, you have to perform the cache, and click on cache management from here. Click on cache and select refresh and click on submit. So this is how you can perform the cache of your website. Going further, you can, if you have did any changes related to website color or the CSS file or anything, you can regenerate the CSS file from here also. Click on it and regenerate Perl theme lace and CSS file. And at the end, you can flush Magento cache, and whatever the changes you have did with your website will take effect automatically. Another important thing is how you can perform the index management for your website. System index management. Select all and click on reindex data from here. Okay, and click on submit. So your website will be reindexed with all the changes. Okay, this is again an important perform and indexing of your website. Going further, how you can optimize your website. Again, most important feature, and it is most important for your website. When you perform, when you wish that your website should perform properly in the market, it should load properly for your customers and so on. Reason, suppose you have uploaded the logo. The logo should be in proper size, it should be optimized. Suppose if you will upload the logo of 1000 pixel, or suppose you will upload the logo of 1 MB, or suppose you will upload the banner of your website for 5 MB, it will be very for your customer to load the website. Understand? Whenever you will upload anything, you will upload with highly optimized image. Suppose logo. So when you upload the logo should be in the size of 160 into 60 KB only. Can you see this one? Only small logo. Do not upload the logo. Let me give you the example also. One minute. I have the logo. Suppose this one. One minute. It's loading. Look at this image. This is very bigger in size. Okay, so optimize it, resize it with the proper size and then upload. Okay, same way, this is I told you about size of logo. Size means it should be in proper pixel. Now size in MB, right? Suppose you have uploaded the logo, suppose you have uploaded the banner of 5 MB. It will be very difficult for your website to load. So there are websites in the line where you come. Suppose I uploaded the tiny. I open the tiny PNG. Now let me open any. Suppose let me take this example. Okay, so this is of 4 and I compress it, then it is of 134 KB. Now it will easily load, right? And performance is same again. Let me show you. This is the optimized image and this is the original image. Any difference? No, right? So make sure you will upload the optimized image. Now, whenever if you have your own developer or if you have your own team, then make sure whenever they perform any changes on the website, they push the website again on the production mode. When they make any changes, the website will be in development mode, but they have to push the website again in the production mode. They have to merge the file, merge the CSS file, merge the JavaScript file. Then and then your website will perform properly. This is something technically you cannot do it from admin panel, but make sure whosoever is performing the means performing the changes on your website. If it is our team, do not worry, we'll do it on our own. If you are licensed client or if you are managing the website on your own, you have to take care that you will do it, and your website should be optimized. It should be faster to load on the browser as easy as possible. Understand? So this is how you can manage the optimization process for better speed of your website. Okay, this is all about how you can manage the website, how you can configure the website. Okay, uh, to go live faster in the market. Now I want to share something with you. If you have any issues, any queries for your website, here is our support portal link. Okay, you can see all our knowledge base section here. You can refer the videos. Okay, you can refer the tutorial. Everything is available here. If you want to see the old webinar recordings, the webinar recordings are here. This webinar recording will be available in next 1 to 2 days also. So make sure you will find the recordings and you will refer to it anytime as per your convenience. Going further, that we do have the additional services which can help to our clients at very nominal cost, right? It can be graphic design, it can be digital marketing services, hire webmaster, manage server setup, or you can migrate your store from Magento 1 to Magento 2. If you are on Magento 1, then otherwise you can ignore this one. Okay, thank you for joining this webinar. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask us right now, or you can email to us at support@designandbyhq.com anytime, and we will be there to answer you. Thank you.